But I have brought the DJI Mini 4 Pro. Which is below 250 grams, and it works very fine. I'm pretty positive surprised by the quality of the footage, but I can see that it doesn't withstand that much wind. I guess it's about 10 meters a second, which is the limit. Now we have some throws in the wind. It's quiet sometimes, and also some pretty heavy wind gusts. So I think I will fly a little low. It's a very light drone, so just flying among the trees here, I guess. I won't lose this now, because this is my main drone for professional work right now, since the new EU regulations came in today actually. I made a video about this last week, which you can watch if you want. So I am also waiting for the ND filters, which was sold out in every online store before Christmas. So I'm flying without the ND filter, and I'm pretty sure that this is too bright conditions for filming, but taking a couple of photos should work fine. And the reason why it's too bright conditions right now is that the aperture is fixed on 1.7. So unlike the Mavic 2, you can't adjust the aperture and narrow in the opening, and that's why you're pretty much dependent on the ND filters. But I guess we can try a little bit. So then we can turn on the RC2, which is the name of the controller. And the startup time is a bit long, but it's so convenient to fly with a remote controller with a monitor on and not take up your phone every time you're going to fly. So as you can see here, it's 249 grams and it's CO marked, which is the lightest drone, and you can fly this near people and buildings. Not over crowds, but closer than you can with the Mavic 2 now, because that's downgraded to a legacy drone, and you have to be about 150 meters away from both people and corporate buildings. So if you're in nature, you can fly the Mavic 2, but then you have to go very far away. I guess I can't fly too high with this now, but we can see how the drone is reacting to the wind. Then we have to wait for the GPS. And meanwhile, we can turn on the video camera, and here you can see it's much too bright to get decent video. So I will only take a couple of photos now. before I get the ND filters.
Home point updated.
Now the home point is updated and we can take off by pulling the sticks down to the middle. The props are okay.
Take off. Home point updated.
Okay, so it's too much wind to do this right now, and I barely managed to get the drone down, so I guess we'll test this another time.